Hello my lovelies, welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. Today I have a quick dinner idea for you. It's going to be quick and fast, so let's get on with it. So to the oil I add some broccoli cut into my florets and just stir it up. We're just going to do that for a few minutes and then we're going to salt it. Put a little bit of salt to taste, some black pepper to taste, and also throw in some chilies. Why not? And just stir it up. Stir this up for a little while, and then I have some pre-cooked noodles. We're going to cook the noodles to the instructions on the noodles, but minus 1 minute, so if it says cook it for 4 minutes, cook it for 3 minutes and then drain it. All right, and that's what we're going to be using. So we've emptied out our broccoli. I like it al dente, and now I am putting in my mince meat. With this I have prepared already. This is beef mince, and I prepared it just with salt and pepper and a little bit of chili because this is supposed to be spicy anyway. So we're gonna add the noodles to it. I just warmed it up a little bit and I've added the noodles to it. Now I'm gonna be stirring it, and then I'll add some soy sauce to this. This is dark soy sauce. It doesn't have as much salt as the light soy sauce, so you're going to be this is sriracha. It's optional. You can add it to it or not. And then we're going to add some oyster sauce as well, and we're going to stir it all up. Oh my god, this is really delicious. Do try it. It's a quick dinner idea if you have all these in your fridge already, or pre-cooked, or if you have it around and it's like a leftover. So even if it's not a leftover, cook it from the beginning. Let's pop our broccoli in here, stir it up, and oh my god, your dish is ready. And this is simple, it is quick, but it does not compromise on flavor. It is absolutely delicious. If you don't like spice, don't add the chilies. Okay, so now let us plate it up. First we taste it. Ooh. And then plate it up, and take my word for it, you will say thank you Denise for this recipe. Please try it and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.